Hello everyone, let us do some numericals on chapter 2, ninth class motion. So the first question is, a car travels at a velocity of 80 km per hour during the first half of its running time and at 40 km per hour during the other half. Find the average speed of the car. So the formula for average speed is total distance by time. So what is the formula for average speed? First we'll write the formula. Average speed is equals to total distance by time. Total distance by time. So here the total distance which they covered in the question they given you in the during the first half 80 km per hour and during the second half 40 km per hour. So the distance will be how much? 80 plus 40, and the time taken is how much time they have taken during the first half and the second half, right? A car travels at a velocity of 80 km per hour during per hour means 1 hour 80 kilometers, second hour 40 kilometers. So how much time they took? 2 hours. So 80 plus 40 how much? 120 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. So the average speed is how much? 60 kilometer per hour. So your next question is, a train of length 50 meter is moving with a constant speed of 10 meter per second. Calculate the time taken by the train to cross an electric pole and a bridge of length 250 meters. So the first we will make a diagram first. What they are saying, a train is moving with a constant speed. Constant speed means same speed. Okay, suppose this is your train. Okay, constant speed of 10 meter per second. What is the speed here? 10 meter per second. Okay, how much length it travel with the same speed? 50 meters. So this distance is how much? 50 meters. And then calculate the time taken by the train to cross the electric pole. So here is an electric pole. This is electric pole. Okay, and a bridge of length 250 meters. This is the bridge of 250 meters. So you need to calculate how much the time taken by the train to cross the bridge of 250 meters. Okay, so first we are having what is the length of the train. Length of the train is how much? 50 meters. Train is how much? Length of the train is 50 meters. Speed of the train is how much? 10 meter per second. And length of the bridge is how much? Length of the bridge is how much? 250 meters. Length of the bridge is 250 meters. As you already know the speed formula. What is the formula for speed? Speed formula is what? Distance by time. Distance by time. Right? So here you are having speed with you. 10 meter per second, and the distance is how much? 250 meters, right? 250 meters, and you need to calculate what? Time. You have to calculate time, but here they already told you with the speed of 10 meter per second how much distance it traveled? 50 meters. So first, not 250, we have to take 50 meters because we are not calculating of bridge, we are calculating of train. How much time it is taking for the train to move at a 10 meter per second speed. So 50 by t. So this t I am sending that side. It will be t is equals to how much? 50 by 10. 50 by 10. 10 ones are 10 fives are. So the time is taken. How much time it is taking? 5 seconds. So to travel 50 meters, the train is taking 5 seconds. Now we have to calculate the total time at which the train will cross the bridge. Okay. So here, to cross the bridge, the train has to travel the length of the bridge and the length of the train. So first we need to calculate total distance. So total distance is equals to how much? Length of the bridge plus length of the train. Length of the bridge plus train. So what is the length of the train? 50. And what is the length of the bridge? 250. So 50 plus 250 how much? 300 meters. Now the time taken to cross this is how much? The distance is how much? 300. And the time is how much? With how much speed it is traveling? 10, right? So 10 ones are 10, 10, 30 is a 300. So the time is taken by the train to cross the bridge is how many seconds? 30 seconds. To travel 50 meters, it is taking how many seconds? Just now we calculated. It is taking 5 seconds, but to travel to cross the bridge, it is taking 30 seconds. Let us see how we used to draw the graph between distance and time. So on the x-axis, we represent always time. On the y-axis, will represent distance in distance time graph. Okay, if they are moving with a certain speed, okay, continuously towards the aim, then like this the diagram will do. One more numerical on this motion. Your question is, a man is 48 meters behind a bus which is at rest. The bus starts accelerating at the rate of 1 meter per second square. At the same time, the man starts running with uniform velocity of 10 meter per second. What is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus? For bus, first we have to calculate for bus. So we know the formula S is equals to ut plus half at square, and u is nothing but the initial point. So here the bus is at rest in the starting, so the velocity is 0, so u is 0 here. So 0 plus half at square. So your formula is S is equals to half at square. You know the acceleration which is mentioned in the question, 1 t square. So S is equals to what? Half t square. Let it be equation 1. For man, a man is 80 meters behind the bus. When he meets the bus, he has to cover the distance equal to sum of 80 meter and the distance which is moved by the bus. So for man, distance, we know the distance formula, velocity into time. But he already covered the distance 48 plus the distance which is covered by the bus. 48 plus S is equals to Vt. So 48, what we know, the S is nothing but half t square, half t square. And the velocity is how much? 10 as given in the question, 10, and we need to calculate time. So for 48 into 2, it is a 16, for 2 is 8, 9. So 96 plus t square, I am sending that to their side. So 2 into 10, 20 t. So t square minus 20 t plus 96 is equals to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation, so we can take the factors. T square minus 8t minus 12t. So 12 is how much? Again 96. So that's why I have taken minus 8 and minus 12 plus 96 is equals to 0. I am taking t common, t minus 8, taking minus 2 plus 12 common, minus 12 common. So it will be t minus 8. So your answer will be t minus 12 and t minus 8 is equals to 0. So the time will be how much? Time will be 8 or 12 seconds. So the minimum time which he will take is 8 seconds. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.